Boy, this is a different world. I crossed under Seneca Highway right there, and now I'm still on the trail. The Russian olives are smelling sweet. I don't know if this is still parkland. I've never been here before. It's pretty though. Beautiful is more like it. Walking by this nice little creek. It's very pristine. That's where we're going. That's where we came from. Field full of skunk cabbage. Wow, it's a regular nature walk. I think I'll head back towards Seneca Golf Course maybe. How sweet is this? Nice little wetland here. Beautiful day. Just perfect. Okay, that's it from here, from the field. This is Sharky, Shark Star Video. Later.